Hi everyone, welcome back to Database Session. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to explore very interesting and very cool topic, real-time analytics in Microsoft Fabric. So now, if you have never worked with real-time analytics before, don't worry. This lecture give you a quick introduction and help you to understand the key concept and also show you what Microsoft Fabric has to offer in this space. Later on, we will go hand-on and build practical workflow. But for now, let's just build a solid big picture understanding. So first of all, why real-time analytics event important? It is necessary whenever insight needed to be generated as data is being created. So for example, detecting anomalies instantly, fraud detection in banking system, which is required instantly, real-time recommendation system. In all of these cases, the key requirement is speed. We can't wait for batch processing. Decision must be made the moment data arrive. So let's make this more concept for real world use cases. So for banking sector, detecting fraudulent transaction in real time or IoT device, which is internet device managing inventory or monitoring sensor like temperature data that continuously. The common theme data arrive at a very high velocity and must be captured and proceed analyzed instantly. So how does this work in Fabric? When we deal with real-time analytics, we typically follow three steps. First step, capture the data as it generated. In second step, process and transform it into usable form. And in last step, analyze and visualize result, which is often in dashboard. Next. So inside Fabric, real-time analytics experience, we have three key items that support this workflow. So let's go them one by one. So first, EventHouse, which is also known as KQL database, event stream, and KQL query set. So let's learn first EventHouse or KQL database. So first off, KQL database stands for Costo Query Language, which is optimized for time series data and which is common in real-time system. This uses the column-based storage for faster query and its scale horizontally across the node for high performance. Behind the scenes, this is powered by Microsoft Azure Data Explorer. If you know SQL, KQL will feel very familiar and honestly, it's quite fun to use. Okay, next. So if you go to Microsoft Fabric homepage and you can see here Event House and you can see here description rapidly load a structure and streaming data for querying. Now let's learn about event stream. So let's go to presentation mode. Next is we have event stream. This is central element for real-time workflow. It captures incoming data stream and transform data on fly and route it to different destination like SQL database or KQL database. The best part is it is visual and no code required. You can drag and drop and connect activity and design real-time flow without writing a single line of code. If you go to Microsoft Fabric and you can see here, capture, transform, and route real-time event stream to various destination in desired format with no code experience. Let's get back to presentation mode. And lastly, we have KQL query set. Think of this like a saved query, similar to how you might save query file in SQL. It's let us run, manage, and reuse query efficiently inside Fabric. We will use this later when we start building the query. Okay. Now let's recap. We learn why real-time analytics is important. We explore real-time use cases like fraud detection and IoT device. We have saw Fabric key building block, which is Event House or KQL DB, Event Stream, and Query Set. In next video, we will get hand-on. We will actually set up the Event House or KQL database, ingest some data, and start writing queries. If you use SQL before, you pick up the KQL quickly. I am sure you will enjoy working with it. That is for this introduction for real-time analytics in Microsoft Fabric. In next video, we will dive into practical side. So stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel, like this video. And if you have any question, feel free to ask using comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.